And we're back, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick effect that can be achieved with the so-called Quadrature Chrominance in Premiere Pro. It's easy to do, as I've said, really quick. All we need is the invert effect. So go to Effects, type it in, and under Video Effects channel you will find the invert. Just drag and drop it on the video files that you've got. I've got the examples here. Select the clip, go to Effect Controls, and there it is, the invert. Click on the FX sign to toggle between on and off of this effect. And under Channel you can change it to Quadrature Chrominance. And you can see what it does. It creates great effects for warm footage, beach footage for example. Let me show you the second clip. Change the channel once more to Quadrature Chrominance. And you can see it creates a cool fantasy-like effect. Another clip. Once more, drag and drop the invert. By default it's RGB. Change that to Quadrature Chrominance. And we've changed the whole feeling. Just try it out yourself. On some footage it really creates beautiful results. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.